Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Creative Outlier Air. And firstly I recommend it to open settings and go to the Bluetooth, because these earbuds sometimes don't want to disconnect from your phone, so we need to check this connection. Now, put your earbuds to the charging case. And it should disconnect your earbuds. I don't know what's going on the iPhone, because on Android I haven't this problem. But right here, as you can see, we still have connection. So what we should do? You need to click the information icon or settings icon if you have this problem on your Android, and click disconnect. And now, if it connected to your right earbud, you need to make the same for the right earbud, or for the left, it depends what the main earbud. Now, after that, you just tap on it as a device list, or you can tap at the right earbud if you want to make it the main, and that's it. Now it reconnected to your phone, and with this method you can fix a lot of the small problems with these earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!